Pathaan film. Pathaan, pronounced in, is a 2023 Indian Hindi language action thriller film written and directed by Siddharth Anand and produced by Aditya Chopra. The film stars Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, and John Abraham. It is the fourth installment in the YRF Spy Universe and is Khan's comeback film as a lead character after Zero 2018. In the film, Pathaan, an exiled raw agent, is assigned to take down Jim, a former raw agent turned rough leader of a private terror organization who is planning to spread a deadly lab-generated virus across India. The film was released in India on 25 January 2023, coinciding with the Indian Republic Day weekend in IMAX, 4DX and standard formats along with dubbed version in Telugu and Tamil, where it received positive reviews from critics. It had the biggest opening day for a Hindi language release by grossing more than 106 crores globally on opening day.